Good evening, and I will be arguing for side B of the NWS employee dissent. So, should the NWS provide channels for employee dissent? If the National Weather Service was going to implement a policy for employee dissent, it would have to go with the branch method. The National Weather Service is an agency of the United States federal government that is tasked with providing weather forecasts, warnings of hazardous weather, and other weather-related products to the organization and the public for the purposes of protection, safety, and general information. Even though the NWS does not encourage dissent at the employee level, I believe that the branch method would be effective when it came to an employee dissent policy. On page 73 of Goodsell, it states, "The National Weather Service is a tightly integrated yet loosely coupled organizational universe of great complexity. The branch method would work better as it is the principal reliance method for complex problems." On Lindblom, page 80, when it discerns between the root and branch method, it states that for complex problems, the first of these two approaches, the root approach, is of course impossible. Although such an approach can be described, it cannot be practiced except for relatively small and simple problems, and even then only it is in a somewhat modified form. Page 96 of Goodsell states that organizational learning and renewal are not occasional but ongoing in the Weather Service. A policy meant for this sort of organization would work well with the branch method, as it is continually building out from the current situation step by step and in small degrees, and also that organization is absorbed by the exigencies of the present and the technologies of the past rather than wrapped up in memories of the past, or technologies of the future rather than wrapped up in memories of the past, to which the root method would be based upon. So for my argument for side B, explaining about the branch method, I would say that that would be the most effective when it would come to implementing a policy for employee dissent for the NWS, just based on, it's an organization of great complexity, dealing with complex problems. The branch method is the principal reliance method for that, and also that the organization is ongoing. It just doesn't base upon the history of the organization. It's continually building on itself. So that is my argument for the debate. Thank you.